There's no other course like this in the UK that draws together movement practice in a very broad sense, not just arts practice, but beyond that, with ecological thinking. And I think that was the huge thing that brought me here.
Movement could relate to their experiences of working in creative arts. Equally, it could come from adventure sports. And so within that somatic practice, we're really looking at how movement training principles, that understanding of the body, relates to relationships with land.
So we've done a mixture of working inside and outside. So sometimes we're in a studio trying things. We've done swimming, we did some kayaking yesterday. And then also just doing really simple kind of tasks and exercises, but outdoors while walking.
I think it's just such a wonderful community of people, just really generous, like-minded, interested and curious people. It's been really inspiring to study alongside them.
So bringing together movement and mind and ecology, there's a real sense of creative tension that's working through the disciplines. I find that the students approach ecology from a question of where is the ecological self and how does the body kind of operate within an ecology. And so there's very immediately a sense of kind of placing themselves in relation to land, in relation to nature, in relation to society.
I guess it's a really interesting intersection, isn't it? I think they go hand in hand, but typically they're seen as very, very separate disciplines and domains. And I guess this course is exploring ways in which we can become more connected to the environment through becoming more connected to our own bodies and thinking and feeling more deeply.
We always try to bring the content from the lecture to the outside as well, to always compare it to the reality of the world and the modern humans and the non-human world that is surrounding us.
The nature of the course is that it's geared towards community practice. And so how, I think that's so unique in an MA, often it's just focused on the research, whereas actually our whole final module before the dissertation project is about taking our work to community. And I definitely see that as a vision for my future of going to groups of people, inviting groups of people into my space or into a landscape and working with them in some way.